This is a quick video on interactive PDFs and how to use them. We've been working on this for a little while and we started launching them, so we'll get into this real quick. The first one will be working from a website using Firefox here. Just going to go to burking.com. From here, go to the Product Media tab where you can go to PDF Catalog. PDF Catalog, you can download individual pages or you can download the complete catalog. So there's an individual page there. I'm just hitting my back button. Go up here. We're going to download the whole catalog. From here, you'll get the full catalog. And what makes this interactive is if you have the printed version, you have QR codes. But in the PDF version, we include clickable links. These links you won't see visually, but if you hover across them, you'll notice that you get a little finger instead of the arrow. And if you click on it, like this one here, is to sign up for our mailing list for emails. Go back here and we'll get back to the full catalog. Scroll down. All the pages are in here, like I said, 32 pages in our current catalog that we use. QR codes are clickable in this, so here, this takes you right back to the website. All these links take you to the Burr website. You can read about our Made in the USA and why we think it's important and how we do it. Go back here to the catalog. Let's scroll down and find another clickable link. Here's the Model 760, and you can see it says e-catalog underneath of it. So that's going to take us to our category page. So that's our main listing for the 760. Or if we hover across and click on the machine that's listed in the picture, it's going to take us directly to that machine. So this is showing our stock code 72110. The interactive version, like I said, you get more pictures. So that's kind of nice. If you want to go look at the main category, you can click the link above and it'll take you back to the main category where you can see all of our current offerings for the Model 760, different voltages. And from there, as you notice, you can click on them and get even more pictures for that specific model. So this is the 2-inch version of what we have in our catalog. Click back and we'll go back to the category again. We have these PDF spec sheets that are also moving over to the interactive PDF platform where you'll be able to hover across and click on them as well to get more specific information. So we're just trying with the interactive catalog to tie it back to the website to make sure you get more information and that we can keep that information up to date. As catalogs, we can only print those a couple times a year. Sometimes that gets outdated as quick as you print it. So this way you get a generic overview of our offerings, but with the website you can take and click on different things in the catalog, and that on our website will take you to that specific thing where we can provide you with the latest information. So anytime you see a Burr logo, that should take you right to the home page. Like I said, there's an e-catalog one. And if you notice when I hover across on different things in the lower left-hand corner, like I said, this is Firefox, you'll be able to see if there's a link. So you'll notice all of them are http burking.com/ where it's taking you on our website. So you notice here the model numbers are hyperlinks. So if we click on one, it'll take us right to that part of the website. So this is the Model 482. And as you could see in the catalog, we only show one picture of the 482. Well, here we have the opportunity to show 5 on this page. So we have where you can click on it, click the arrow, cycle through the pictures. We also have a thumbnail version that you can look at the different thumbnails. And then you can also take and download these pictures as well directly to your computer if you wanted to use them for something else, if you're doing a presentation or something like that. So I'm just going to go back here to the PDF catalog, scroll down, find something else to click on to kind of show you a little bit more what we do. But all these pictures here on the Accessory Arms, they're all hyperlinked back to the website. So you get a little bit more of an idea of what we have there on the website. There might be different views of that product. It might explain how that product is used or where it can be used. So not everything's a hyperlink, but when you roll across it, like I said, if you notice in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see it pop up that it's a hyperlink, or watch an arrow changes over to a pointer finger. So if you clicked on the WA1 or the WAM, you could actually get right to that spot on the website, and it'll give you more specifics to that item. So you can see here that it's going to take us right back to the stock code 11011 anywhere we click on that picture. Disc grinder, same thing. If we click on that, it's going to take us to the variable speed disc grinder, our stock code 24103. And from there, like I said, there's 5 pictures we can look at. You also see more hyperlinks in our website. They're listed in gold, so they're a little bit easier to see where we want you to go. Standard features and more models, it's the same thing as clicking up above. It takes you back to the main category of the offering. So for the disc grinder, it'll show you the SKUs that we have available. We have a fixed speed version. Here's the pictures of the fixed speed. So as you notice in the catalog, we had 1 picture. On the website, we have looks like 7, 8 pictures there that you can look at, scroll through, and then if we go back, like I said, there's also the variable speed one there. Let's scroll down and find something else to click on here. Here's our vibratory machines, and you watch as I hover across them. That's going to take us specific to the 85, the 45, and the 25. That'll take us to the main category listings for the combi pack or the regular machine. These here as well, if I want to click on the 200, I can click on it and it'll take me directly to that 200, or the 200C, which is our new design with a chute. We get to see a little bit more product specifications. There's the hyperlinks I was talking about earlier. You can get it with different things. Scroll down, we even have the detailed view of the sizes, so it's real easy right there. So really the catalog, the website, the PDF flyers, we're all trying to make all that work together. So we're going to go over the PDF flyers real quick, and this is where we're going to add any new flyers to the website. These are typically 2-page flyers that we'll print off and use them at different shows and things like that, or send out to customers. But this is the version where you can actually view it online, and it gives you this little bit of interactivity. So on this 1001, you can see if you click on a dust scoop, it actually takes you to that dust scoop on the website. The pedestal, same thing. If you want to go watch videos, if we have videos listed, that'll take you there. Or if you want to go something completely different, there's our model 1000, which is closely related to the 1001. And as you can see, there you go. And if you want any more information from there, there is one of the PDF spec sheets that I was talking about where we work from here. So it kind of, like I said, just trying to make it all flow together and make it interactive for you to find the information, and more information than we could give you just in a catalog. So 979, same thing. It's got hyperlinks. This is for the instructions. It takes you to a generic landing page. So you scroll down and find the model you're looking for. Say we need to know what the footprint size, what's the overall size of that. We can click right on that, and it's going to bring up the PDF version of that. We can print it off from there to make sure it's going to work. Or if we needed the schematics for the machine we're looking for a part. All right, so there's a little bit on schematics there. Go back out of here. Go back to our main catalog pages. Scroll up to the top. Back here to the PDF catalog. Scroll down. Just one last thing I kind of wanted to show you on our catalog is our last page. It shows a nice little interactive QR code, clickable link that's important. If you're looking for more information, you can give us a call. You can click right there on our phone number, or you can click on the little QR code to the right that shows the complete list of manufacturers reps that we have across the country. So from there, you can get their email address, their phone number, and things like that. But anyway, I appreciate your time. If you got any questions, give us a call. Thanks.